What's up, everybody? Wait a second, something's wrong.
What's up, everybody? Nathan Ryder Films here. Today we are going to do another unboxing / review video. This is not a sponsored video, however, this product was sent to me by a good friend of mine, Cody Maston. So if you would like to show him some support, visit his Twitch channel and give him a follow. A couple days ago we were discussing the poor audio quality on my last video, and then 2 days later, this shows up. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck microphone, then look no further. Sure, there are other brands out there like Rode and Blue Yeti, however they hold a much higher price tag. The Fifine T669 condenser microphone is currently listed for $61.99 and $35.99 without the studio kit. Sure, it's a budget microphone, but it performs as good if not better than its competitors. That's it for me, everybody. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and follow if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.